Dose Blinky with some vitamin C. If you know, you know. Boo! 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 Orange juice saves lives, remember that. I'm excited. Matches the outfit too, so it's perfect. Spooky season. The spookiest blink you will come across today. Boo! Get it? Because it's a ghost. One is my absolute favorite. 7 Glamouroos. 2 chambers. So you switch between the 2 chambers so you're not burning Penelope up. Penelope does not deserve to be burned. I forgot this one's a lot longer. Yum! A little strawberry orange action. That tear just hit my leg. Put good in, get good out. Put a lot of good in, I'm gonna get a lot of good out. That was a sitting up and I feel like doing 30,000 things right now. So I gotta go, bye!